Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Giselle. Welcome. Today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I think my last video was a makeup tutorial and that was a minute ago, but we don't gotta talk about that, okay? So today we're going to be taking a look at Juvia'S The Queen palette, which is their collaboration with Fumi. She is an influencer as well as a model here on YouTube and Instagram, and I think that this is an amazing collab because she's a smaller influencer. This is not someone that, you know, has millions and millions of subscribers or followers. This is someone who I think is considered a micro influencer, and I just think that that is amazing that Juvia'S is working with them. This is the palette. I haven't worn, have I? You know what, I think I did try one or two colors on, but I haven't really created a look with it, and I wanted to come here on the channel and do it, of course, because I was sent this palette as part of PR from Juvia'S, and I just wanted to come and play with it with you guys. And these are the colors, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, just gorgeous, super pigmented and super pretty. I know that I'm pretty late reviewing it because I got it a few weeks ago, but there are already tons of videos out there. I think I'm not really going to be doing swatching. I'm horrible at swatching, so I'm just going to go in and start doing my makeup. So if you are interested in seeing how all of this is going to turn out, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching. I'm going to start off with Sister, and I'm going to put that on my crease. And it's a very subtle color, so I think it works well for me as a transition color. Yeah, this one is really pretty and subtle. Like, you can see it, but it's barely there, which I think will work great because these other shades are pretty out there and you will need something to blend it with. Now I'm gonna go in with 7, and it's this pretty bright pink right here. Tap the excess and go right into the crease with it. Like, that's pretty bright. This is what 7 is looking like so far. I just want to brighten it up slightly. I feel like it's getting washed off a little bit on the camera, of course, because it feels pretty bright to me in person. But what I'm gonna do is like tap the color on my crease instead of sweeping it. Like, now you can see that it's like really picking up the color instead of me applying it and diffusing it at the same time. Now it's a lot more intense. I like to start off blending it and then intensifying it, but I know that some people like to just like put the color on and then blend it out. I get overwhelmed with that because then I'm like, oh my god, like this looks like a hot mess. How am I gonna fix this? So I prefer to do it this way. I blend it out, get it how I like it, and then go in and intensify it to my liking. Now I'm gonna go in with Octoly, which is like this reddish one right here, and I'm going to apply that to the outer part, more towards the crease, and we'll see what this is going to start looking like, girl, because I don't know what I'm doing, okay? I'm just using these colors. We'll see if this does anything. That's pretty. Like with the two, I don't know if it's Let me get this in focus. I don't know if it's really showing on camera the difference by putting this on the outer part here. I hope it is, because I can see the difference. Okay, I'm not trying to look like a super colorful bird tonight. So, yeah. Because that's not really doing anything. It's just, of course, blending it in because it's a pink and a red. I'm gonna see if this purple, which is called Adrian, will bring a little depth to this whole thing. And I'm just gonna add this to my lid, Adrian. So now I'm gonna grab Adrian and I'm gonna go under my lash line, my lower lash line. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Pixie's Eye Bright Liner, and this is in the shade Nude, which is a nude pencil. I love this freaking pencil, it's so good. And I'm gonna do this on my waterline. And like I said, I'm just gonna do lashes, so I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I love this mascara, it's so good. It's like my favorite mascara ever. And let's put this bad boy on. So I didn't want the video to get super long, and I just went ahead and like kind of finished the foundation portion of this with setting and blending and all of that. For my bronzer, I used the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Caramel Cutie, and I kind of reinforced that with Cover FX's Perfector face palette with this darker shade right here. So that's what I've done so far. I am going to now finish the eyes, and I'm gonna go in with Pixie's Black Lacquer Lash Primer because I want my bottom lashes to be more dramatic, so this will help with that. And I love the brush. It's like those really tiny bristles because then it really separates the lashes and it makes them look super wispy. Look at that, I love it. Literally, like, this is gripping from the root to like the bottom and separating everything so beautifully. This is my first time using it and I'm like in love already. I could probably just leave this alone as the mascara. For lashes, I'm gonna do some AliExpress lashes. This is what they look like, so I'm just going to put these on really quick and we'll come back for the lips. I'm gonna go in with Quark, which is a MAC lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with Pixie's Bare Beauty, and this is their liquid lipstick. I'm gonna put this in the center because it's a really pretty nude. Super pretty. But I'm gonna lip gloss. I have these two shades from Rimmel, and quite honestly, I think I'm about to put both of them on because they're both really pretty. I'm going to start with Honey Honey. Reminds me of Mariah Carey. It's pretty. Definitely like that high gloss. This gloss is so soft. There's no stickiness to it. It's my first time using it. It's their Stay Gloss. There's no stickiness to it. It's just like shiny and pretty. And now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the, what is this one called? It's in the same family. This is Down to Gloss. Okay. This one is slightly peachier. Oh, these are gorgeous. I love the way they feel. And for our blush, we're gonna go in with another Rimmel product, and this is their Maxi Blush, and it's in a Wild Card. Where's my brush, y'all? I need to wash brushes, so I'm like scrambling here. Where's my mirror so I can see what I'm doing? Okay, that's pretty. That's pretty. Just transformed into a whole new woman, y'all. Oh, I missed doing my makeup. It's been so long. Okay, so here's the close-up, like as close as I can get to my camera without it freaking out of the look. I absolutely love this color combination. I was a little bit scared, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, I'm gonna be looking like a little clown, but it turned out really good. I like the way my skin is looking. The lips are like there, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a pretty look and I am loving it. So let's get to the palette. Absolutely gorgeous. I think that I was low-key underestimating it a little bit because I was like, what can I really create with this? And I think that there are a lot of looks that can be created. I just saw why am I forgetting her name? Irisela Iris. And she says, hola Instagram. I don't know why I'm forgetting her name on here, but I know y'all know who I'm talking about. And she did a beautiful purple look with this palette this like yesterday or the day before yesterday on Instagram that I want to recreate because it was so pretty. There are definitely tons of looks that can be created. I'm gonna come back and do at least one more 2 looks. Now, just so y'all know, this is gonna be my background probably for a minute because I just don't feel like doing the whole setup because it keeps me away from making videos. You know what I'm saying? Because yeah, so I'm just gonna try to come back and start creating more looks right here. Come back with this palette. I have the newer Warrior palette, Warrior 3 from Juvia'S Place. They also sent me that one, so I'm gonna be reviewing it. And I'm rambling now. Anyways, these colors are gorgeous. They blend beautifully together. I had no issues. I had no patchiness. But I think that we all know what to expect from Juvia'S Place eyeshadow palettes. Is not like you're like, oh, is it gonna be good? Our only worry really is the color combinations because we already know about the quality. So congratulations to Fumi. This is you know what I'm saying? Like, it's good steps towards more inclusion, especially when it comes to smaller influencers, because a lot of us get overlooked in terms of talent and what we can bring to the table because our numbers are not as big as some other people. And I like to see fresher faces. Like, I'm the type of person that I love watching smaller YouTubers. That's just me. That's where I invest most of my time when it comes to watching YouTube videos. I have my few favorite who are bigger, but I can probably count on one hand with some fingers left, okay, on who I really sit and watch and enjoy. I love smaller YouTubers. So it's really nice to see a fairly big company, in my opinion, work with someone who is still considered a micro influencer. I think that that's absolutely amazing. So thank you for sticking to the end of the video. I have my little helper here. Ooh, just making all sorts of noises. So what do you want to say?
Subscribe to my mom's channel and hit the like button.
Like button. Yep, the like button. And what else do they gotta do?
Hit the notification bell.
The notification bell, and what else? But in order to hit the notification bell, you gotta do something before that. You have to subscribe, people. Oh my God. Did you? I thought you just said hit the like button. Oh, my bad, baby. My bad. Thank you. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you on the next video. Ciao.